Welcome back to CCR Edvolution. This platform is dedicated to revolutionizing college and career readiness education in the way of making it mainstream, and by creating a synergy around individual and group psychology as they relate to college and career readiness. So today we're demoing the Community Skillshare platform. This tool is meant to bridge the gap between community and industry, as well as a means to enhance the awareness and access to apprenticeship, volunteering, workshop, and other skill sharing opportunities. So this looks a lot like a job board, as you can see, but the CCR platform makes users agree that no payments will be made or discussed on the platform. The purpose of this tool is to create a space to match community professionals to those seeking to develop their work experience across a specific set of skills. So this tool allows skill seekers to explicitly and directly invite those skills they're looking for, but also allows skill sharers to offer their skills and gain work or project experience. This feature greatly complements the research and reflective tools for college and career readiness that CCR Edvo offers by adding another space for users to carry out the action steps towards their goals. Go check it out.